Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English listening practice. Today, we are going to listen to a short story about a normal morning. Listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Let's begin.
Sarah wakes up at 6:30 every morning. She likes to start her day early because it gives her time to relax before work. The first thing she does is open the window and take a deep breath of fresh air. After that, she goes to the kitchen and makes a cup of coffee. While the coffee is brewing, she prepares a simple breakfast. Usually, she eats toast with eggs or fruit. At 7 o'clock, Sarah sits at the table and checks her phone. She reads the news and replies to a few messages from her friends. After breakfast, she gets ready for work. She chooses her clothes, brushes her hair, and packs her bag. Before leaving the house, she always makes sure she has her keys, phone, and wallet. At 8 o'clock, Sarah leaves home and walks to the bus stop. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes. During the ride, she likes to listen to music or read a book. When she arrives at the office, she greets her coworkers with a smile. She enjoys her job and likes working with her team. For Sarah, a good morning routine helps her feel calm, organized, and ready for the day.